Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 15th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them, half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first one. 3 Stars Sudoku, number 8009. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 30. That's a lot. 30 printed digits. It should be a 0 stars instead of 3 stars. 0 stars need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. Well, this one has 3 stars indication, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this a really 3 stars, or is this a really a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 9. These 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is no. The 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Then 8. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in the last row, so no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then let me see. How about come on 9. Need an 8 here. 8 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here. 6 6. Need a 6 there. 6 need 6 there. How about 1, 4, and 6? Interesting. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So 1 box left in this middle row. For number the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the next column. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright, and now 2, 4, 5. Okay, we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in the last row. For number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in the we have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, need a 4 here. 2 missing number. No. We have a 1 here, 1 and a 4. Okay. Let me think. 9 here. Yeah. 4 and the 5. 2 miss. No. 4, 5, and the 8. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. And we have a pair. The 1 and 8 in this column, the 1 and 8 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. For 2 numbers left here, 4 and a 5. What is the missing number here? The number 9. Yeah, need a 9 here. Yeah, need a 9 there, and a 4 and a 5. Okay, need to wait. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this second row for number 1. The 2 is missing. We have a 4 in this column, third column, and 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes. And then. How about the 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column, 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left with 9 should be there. And 2 numbers left, the 4 and 5. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you. Should be a 0 stars. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Yeah, a 0 stars. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes. Publisher, again, a wrong indication. So, not pleased with the wrong indication. Because this one, with 2 stars, is 27, 3 digits less than this one. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Yeah, there are 3 puzzles left. So until then, bye bye for now.